Welcome back to Chef Albert's kitchen. Today we are going to make cheese bell pepper pizza using handi. Handi is a large cooking vessel. I have a medium size one at home. Before we start, I request you to watch this video full and also subscribe if you are here for the first time and press the bell icon too. 1 teaspoon of sugar, half cup of water, half spoon of dry yeast. Mix them well together. Close it up. Leave it aside for 10 minutes. Step 2. After 10 minutes, let's start making dough. 200 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt. Instead of water, use the yeast liquid to make dough. The process of making dough will take between 10 to 15 minutes. Making this dough reminds me in making parota few days ago. If you have not seen it, please watch. A link is above. Our goal is to make nice and soft pizza dough, so stretch them well. Also apply oil to make the dough soft. Step 3. Let's set it aside for an hour and a half in order to avoid sticking. Use some oil all over. Finally, use a damp cloth to cover it up and use a plate. This way it will not become dry. Step 4. Chop vegetables. I am using bell peppers and some onions. Now add as much of cheese you want. Add chili flakes, pizza seasoning by Kia. Step 5. We are going to roll the dough. The pizza dough turned out to be nice and soft as I desired. Dust some flour on the surface to avoid sticking. Now use a rolling stick to spread it and make it into circle. This is going to be large pizza, so I am rolling according to that. Step 6. Use a flat tray or plate for this, but make sure the tray is thick in size. Place the pizza base on the tray. Use a fork to poke holes in the bases. Poke holes only on the middle region, otherwise it will swell up like bread. So this is important you do this. Time to apply some pizza sauce. And add the topping that I made earlier. You can now add a generous amount of cheese on the top of it. You can also add some sliced tomato in the end. Keep it aside for 10 minutes so that yeast will make the pizza base swell, especially the side. Meanwhile, let's prepare the handi. Step 7. This is the vessel I am using. Inside the handi, use another vessel so that pizza tray doesn't come in contact with the surface. The cooking method I used is first preheat the vessel for 5 to 10 minutes in maximum fire. Then put the pizza inside. Cover it up with the lid. Cooking time will be 30 minutes in medium-slow fire. Finally, the pizza is ready after cooking for 30 minutes. Delicious cheese bell pepper pizza is ready. Please try this. If you enjoyed this video, please share my channel and help me grow. Thank you for watching. See you soon.